Hey, it's Huang Lo here, and in this video, I want to introduce you to our exciting new feature, which is our visual drag and drop call to action builder. So with this new feature, you will be able to customize existing call to action templates easily, and you can also build your own call to action design that fits your brand. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the interface of this new call to action builder so you can start using this to customize our existing template or build your own call to action. So this is not going to be an in-depth tutorial on how to use the builder. I will have more videos in the future on how to use the different features of this new call to action builder. But in this video, it's going to be a short overview of everything that this builder has. So let's take a look at how to access this new feature. So when you go to TagOn, click on call to action and click on add new right here, you will see that this call to action form is slightly different than before. That is because we have our new builder right here. So let's give it a name. Let's give this call to action a name and click on build your CTA to access the builder. Okay, so here is the builder interface. So I will walk you through every part of this interface. So as you can see here at the top, we have this close button right here. It will close the builder without saving change. Here is a very important part, which is the CTA template right here. When you start building a new builder, you will see this blank CTA template, but you can access all the templates that we have built. So let's take a look at one of them. So this is one of the template that we already have. So to customize this template is very easy. You just need to visually edit it or drag new element to it like this, right? It's very easy. So speaking of elements, below the CTA templates, you can see that there are many elements that you can use to drag to your call to action, to build your call to action. So there are many elements right here. I will walk you through the specifics of each element in future videos. But if you are familiar with many websites builder out there, it's very similar. So you have heading, image, container, all the different elements that you can use to build your call to action. Okay, so under that you have widgets. These are rebuilt elements. So at the moment you have Google Maps and video. So basically that is the left panel right here. So you have call to action templates, which you can select very easily here. You have all the elements, you have the widgets. And let's move on to the middle part right here, which is the main preview of what you're working on. So you have a live preview of what you're working on. So let's say that I change to a new template. You can see that it changes live right here, and when you edit, you will see it changing live as well. At the top right here, you have I can say that is a utility bar. So you can have an undo, redo button. You can have full width button. You have a preview button, and here you have the save change. So this is for save all the changes of your call to action. All right. So, and you have these buttons to preview on different screen sizes, different devices. At the bottom of the middle part right here, you have a code editor, which is pretty hidden. You need to scroll down a little bit. But with this code editor, you will be able to customize everything if you know coding, of course. So this is definitely for advanced user right here. So let's move to the next part. We are nearly there. So the next part is the option for each element. So for example, if I click on this element, you can see that the option kind of changes here. So when you click on each element, the right panel right here will be the options for you to modify that element, to change the design of that element. For example, the image right here, you easily change out the image by changing out the image link right here. So at the top part of this panel here, you will see that there is an option specific to that element. Okay, so for example, the heading, you will have an option called heading right here. If you click on the image, you have an option called image right here. So the first part is going to be specific to the element that you're adding The second part is the general information for this current element right here. So this second part is the same for every element. The same thing for display part. This is a pretty advanced part of the builder right here. The next part is the typography, where you can change the font size, the fonts family of the text, the alignment of the text, the color of the text, etc. Here you can change the size of the element that you're editing. So I will walk you through each of these options in future videos, but in this video I just want to show you an overview of all these elements. The next options will help you position your element. So its margin, its padding. If you are familiar with web design, or if you know HTML or CSS, this will make a lot of sense to you. Next part is the border, and next is background image. So you can change the background image for the element that you are editing. So basically that is a quick walkthrough of everything that this new builder has. In the future I will have more detailed videos showing you how to use this builder, but I hope this walkthrough video has shown you the overall overview of this new call to action builder. As you can see, it's going to be very easy for you to use. So let's say that I want to edit this call to action to my preference, so I can easily delete everything right here and add my own text just like that, very visually and very easy to use. So let me know what you think of this new call to action builder. We have already pushed it live inside TagOn dashboard, so keep in mind that all your previous call to action and all your pop-up images are going to be stopped working. So please keep that in mind and update your links with your new call to actions, or temporarily stop driving traffic to the links that use the previous call to action. So go in here, play with this new call to action right here. So the next thing I want to show you is, okay, so let me walk you back through this template right here. So let's say that I have this template. Let's say that I finished editing this template. Okay, let's click on save change. Now let's walk you through the options right here. So these two options are going to be the same, but the position is going to be middle, bottom, or top. The reason for that is you can already set the position of your call to action inside the builder. So here just need to set whether it's going to be at the top, middle, or bottom of the page. So let's say that I want to put it at the bottom. I will add this right now. So after adding it, you have the option to click on preview to see what it's going to look like, right? Okay, and you can also edit your existing call to action by clicking on the edit button right here and go back to the builder. So again, I hope this video has shown you the overview of this call to action builder and help you get an idea on how to get started using it. What I suggest is playing with editing the existing templates before trying to build your own, because it will take some training to be able to build your own good looking call to action. So what I suggest first is go in here and select from one of our pre-built call to action templates and start adding elements to it, start playing with it to see what are the options are about. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video and be sure to let me know what you think of this new exciting call to action builder and how it's going to help you to get the best out of TagOn. And I will see you in the next videos update on this call to action builder. See you soon.